So as you can see, new setting, very snowy, and that's because it's late winter now and I am somewhere north of Norway. I was driving the last 4 or 5 days non-stop. I'm still not at my target destination, at my first target destination, but on the way there there's always one place you can visit, and that is this one with this epic mountain which you can see right there. So we'll try to capture a photo today. It's a very popular spot here, at least among photographers. Let's see what we have here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh shit. That is frozen rock solid. It's so cold I had to put on like almost all my clothing. Everything. It's ridiculous. I mean, look at that. I look like the Michelin Man or Super Pump. Down here, let me go this way, there is a frozen river. Once you get down there, you can get a really nice wide angle shot with the river in the foreground. The name of the mountain is Stetind. Stetind, National Mountain of Norway. Yeah, let's have a look at the river. Yeah. My brain doesn't work in this cold. This icy section looks also quite interesting. It's always important to choose a good foreground. That really makes or breaks a landscape photo. Usually there's not a lack of good backgrounds with high tops and trees and whatever, a lake, but finding the right foreground that really appeals to the image, that is often the hardest part. Still trying to find the perfect spot, but it looks like down where the water flows should be the best spot. I need to take 6 images, 3 exposures, one for the foreground and one for the background, because the mountain is quite far away and the foreground is quite close. And since this is a Canon camera, you always need to use bracketing. There's no way around it. Okay. Focus. it's really cold. Really cold. I like the lights. Looks good. I mean, now I could move around and try to find more compositions. But I'm very happy with this one. So I just keep shooting. So now the rock is not sharp. Now it's sharp. Now check the exposure. Histogram looks good. Shoot. Boom, boom, boom. Now focus on the mountain. Okay. And shoot. And there we got 6 images for one image. As you can see here. Yeah, that looks nice. It's a shame that the cars pass on the bridge right next to me. Very annoying. Always disturbing my vlog. Not nice. Not nice. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. Then see you next vlog.